Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well and ready to dive into another important topic. Today, I'm diving into a crucial topic for anyone looking to boost their credit score: how to remove charge-offs from your credit report. This can be a game changer for your financial health. A charge-off can significantly impact your credit score, making it harder to get loans, credit cards, or even a mortgage. So, understanding how to tackle this issue is essential. First things first, let's understand what a charge-off is. A charge-off happens when a creditor deems your debt as unlikely to be collected and writes it off as a loss. This doesn't mean you're off the hook, you still owe the debt. It's essentially a declaration by the creditor that they don't expect to collect the debt, but it remains on your credit report for up to 7 years, affecting your creditworthiness. But don't worry, I'm here to help you tackle this. With the right steps, you can improve your credit score and financial standing. Step 1. Get your credit reports. You can get a free copy from the major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a year at annualcreditreport.com. This is your starting point. Make sure you review them carefully. Look for any discrepancies or errors that might be affecting your score. Now, step 2. Verify the charge-off. Sometimes errors happen. Check every detail: the account number, balance, dates, everything. Ensure that the charge-off is accurate and belongs to you. If you spot any inaccuracies, dispute them immediately. This can be done online or by mailing a dispute letter to the credit bureau. Disputing errors can sometimes result in the charge-off being removed from your report, which can significantly boost your credit score. Step 3. Negotiate with your creditor. This is a game changer. Contact the creditor who reported the charge-off and ask if they can remove it in exchange for full or partial payment. This is known as a pay-for-delete agreement. Always get this agreement in writing before making any payments. But what if they refuse? That brings us to step 4. Seek professional help. Sometimes it's worth hiring a credit repair company to negotiate on your behalf. These companies have the expertise and might get better results. However, be sure to choose a reputable company. Look for reviews and check their credentials. Finally, step 5. Keep good credit habits. Even if you can't get the charge-off removed, its impact will lessen over time if you manage your credit responsibly. Pay your bills on time, reduce your debt, and avoid new credit inquiries. These habits will help improve your credit score over time. So there you have it, a simple roadmap to tackle those pesky charge-offs on your credit report. Remember, persistence is key. Keep at it, and you'll see improvement over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on improving your financial health. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and stay financially healthy.